I was looking at photos from a few years ago recently, and I was surprised by how much older I looked back then compared to now. It wasn't my imagination. My skin had more color and elasticity. My energy was better. I felt sharper mentally. And the crazy thing is, I'm actually older now than I was in those photos. So what changed? My diet. I started eating foods that actively fight aging from the inside out. And the difference has been remarkable. Today, I want to share 7 foods that are scientifically proven to make you look and feel younger. I'm not talking about expensive creams or supplements or magic pills. I'm talking about real whole foods that support your skin, boost your energy, sharpen your mind, and help your body repair itself at the cellular level. These foods won't turn back the clock completely, but they can slow it down significantly and help you feel vibrant and healthy as you age. Before we get into the foods, let me explain what aging actually is and why food matters so much. Aging happens at the cellular level. Over time, your cells accumulate damage from things called free radicals, which are unstable molecules that harm your DNA, proteins, and cell membranes. This damage shows up as wrinkles, sagging skin, fatigue, memory problems, and increased risk of chronic disease. It's called oxidative stress, and it's one of the main drivers of aging. But here's the good news. Certain foods are loaded with antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. Other foods provide the building blocks your body needs to repair itself, like healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. When you eat these foods consistently, you're giving your body the tools it needs to stay young from the inside out. The first food is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, all of them are anti-aging powerhouses. Berries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins and vitamin C, both of which protect your skin and brain from aging. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. As you age, your body produces less collagen, which is why skin starts to sag and wrinkle. Eating foods high in vitamin C helps your body make more collagen and keeps your skin looking younger. The antioxidants in berries also protect your brain. Research published in the Annals of Neurology found that people who ate berries regularly had slower rates of cognitive decline and better memory as they aged. Another study showed that blueberries improved skin elasticity and reduced wrinkles after just 12 weeks of daily consumption. I eat berries almost every day. I add them to my oatmeal, throw them into smoothies, or just eat a handful as a snack. Fresh is great, but frozen berries are just as nutritious and often more affordable. A cup of mixed berries a day is a simple, delicious way to fight aging. The second food is fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, trout. These fish are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and omega-3s are some of the best anti-aging nutrients you can consume. Omega-3s keep your skin hydrated and supple by strengthening the lipid barrier that holds moisture in your skin cells. They also reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to aging. Chronic inflammation breaks down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm. But omega-3s don't just help your skin, they protect your brain too. Studies have shown that people who eat fatty fish regularly have better memory, faster processing speed, and a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease as they age. Omega-3s support the structure of brain cells and reduce the buildup of plaques that contribute to cognitive decline. A study published in the journal Neurology found that people with higher omega-3 levels in their blood had larger brain volumes and better cognitive function in their 70s and 80s. That's significant. You're literally preserving your brain by eating fatty fish. I aim for fatty fish at least twice a week. A piece of grilled salmon for dinner, canned sardines on whole grain crackers for lunch. It's one of the most effective anti-aging foods you can eat, and it's delicious. The third food is avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin E and vitamin C, all of which are essential for youthful skin and overall vitality. The healthy fats in avocados keep your skin moisturized from the inside out. They also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are crucial for skin health and cellular repair. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from sun damage and oxidative stress. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that people who ate avocados regularly had more elastic, hydrated skin and fewer signs of aging like wrinkles and age spots. Avocados also contain compounds that protect against UV damage, which is one of the biggest contributors to premature aging. I eat half an avocado almost every day. I put it on toast, add it to salads, blend it into smoothies, or just eat it with a spoon and a little salt and lemon juice. It's filling, creamy, and one of the best things you can do for your skin and your overall health. The fourth food is nuts, particularly walnuts and almonds. Nuts are packed with vitamin E, healthy fats, and antioxidants that fight aging from the inside out. Vitamin E protects your skin cells from damage caused by free radicals and UV exposure. It also helps your skin retain moisture and stay supple. Almonds are one of the best sources of vitamin E. Just 1 ounce of almonds provides about 37% of your daily vitamin E needs. Walnuts are unique because they're one of the few plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They support brain health, reduce inflammation, and protect your skin. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate nuts regularly had better cognitive function and slower mental decline as they age. Nuts also contain compounds that improve blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your skin and brain. Better circulation gives your skin a healthy glow and keeps your mind sharp. I eat a small handful of nuts every day, either as a snack or added to meals. I portion them out at the beginning of the week so I don't overdo it, because nuts are calorie dense. But that small daily serving makes a big difference in how I look and feel. The fifth food is dark chocolate, and yes, I'm serious. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, is loaded with antioxidants called flavonoids that protect your skin and improve circulation. Flavonoids in dark chocolate improve blood flow to your skin, which gives you a healthy, youthful glow. They also protect your skin from sun damage and improve hydration and thickness. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that women who ate high flavonoid chocolate daily for 12 weeks had 25% less skin redness from UV exposure and significantly improved skin texture and hydration. Dark chocolate also supports brain health. The flavonoids improve blood flow to the brain, which enhances memory, focus, and processing speed. Research has shown that people who eat dark chocolate regularly perform better on cognitive tests and have a lower risk of cognitive decline as they age. And let's be honest, dark chocolate is delicious and satisfying. It curbs your sweet tooth without the sugar overload that accelerates aging. I eat 1 or 2 squares of 85% dark chocolate most afternoons. It's enough to get the benefits without overdoing calories or sugar. Look for chocolate with cacao or cocoa as the first ingredient and minimal added sugar. The sixth food is green tea. Green tea is one of the most powerful anti-aging beverages on the planet. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins, particularly EGCG, which protects your cells from damage and slows aging. Green tea protects your skin from UV damage, reduces wrinkles, and improves elasticity. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that women who drank green tea regularly had significantly smoother, more elastic skin with better moisture retention compared to those who didn't drink it. Green tea also protects your brain. Research has shown that people who drink green tea daily have better memory, sharper focus, and a lower risk of cognitive decline and dementia. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea enhances brain function without the jitters you get from coffee. And green tea boosts your metabolism slightly, which helps you maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight accelerates aging, so keeping your weight in check is part of staying youthful. I drink 1 or 2 cups of green tea a day, usually in the morning and sometimes in the afternoon. I steep it for about 3 minutes in water that's hot but not boiling. Boiling water makes green tea taste bitter. If you're sensitive to caffeine, you can find decaffeinated green tea, though it has slightly fewer antioxidants. The seventh food is leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, Swiss chard, all of them are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that fight aging at every level. Leafy greens are rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, and folate. Vitamin K supports bone health, which is crucial as you age because bone density naturally decreases. Vitamin A promotes skin cell turnover, which keeps your skin looking fresh and youthful. Vitamin C, as I mentioned earlier, is essential for collagen production. Leafy greens also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related damage like cataracts and macular degeneration, and they support brain health. A study published in Neurology found that people who ate 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily had the cognitive abilities of someone 11 years younger. I eat leafy greens at least once a day, often more. A big salad for lunch, sautéed spinach as a side dish at dinner, a handful blended into a smoothie. It's one of the simplest, most effective things you can do to stay youthful. Now let me give you some practical advice on how to use these 7 foods to look and feel younger. The key is consistency. Eating berries once a month won't do much. Eating them several times a week, along with the other foods on this list, will make a noticeable difference over time. Try to include at least 3 or 4 of these foods in your diet every day. For example, start your morning with a smoothie that has berries, spinach, avocado, and a handful of walnuts. Have green tea mid-morning. Eat a salad with leafy greens and salmon for lunch. Have a square or 2 of dark chocolate in the afternoon. You've just covered 6 of the 7 foods in one day, and it wasn't complicated. Also, protect your skin from the outside while you're nourishing it from the inside. Wear sunscreen every day. UV damage is one of the biggest causes of premature aging. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated. Get enough sleep, because your body does most of its cellular repair while you're sleeping. And manage your stress, because chronic stress accelerates aging at the cellular level. And be patient. You're not going to see dramatic changes overnight. But if you eat these foods consistently for a few months, you'll start to notice differences. Your skin will look healthier. You'll have more energy. Your mind will feel sharper. People might even start commenting that you look younger or asking what you're doing differently. Aging is inevitable, but how you age is largely within your control. These 7 foods give your body the tools it needs to stay youthful, vibrant, and healthy. They're not expensive. They're not complicated. They're just real whole foods that work. If this was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical, science-backed health advice. And drop a comment and let me know which of these 7 foods you already eat regularly or which one you're excited to try. I'd love to hear from you. You deserve to feel your best at any age. These foods will help you get there.